So let's have a quick recap about reports. So as you know that a report is a summarized form of some information of any object, okay, and a related object. So we can get summary as well as details through reports. So there are two types of reports basically. The first one, which is standard, so that is built by Salesforce, okay. And the second one, which is custom, so we create whatever our client's requirement is. So whatever we create according to our client's requirement is known as custom report, okay. So as far as custom reports are concerned, these are further divided into four subgroups, okay. The first is, which is tabular, then summary, matrix, and joined. So I think we have covered about tabular report, right? So okay, now we have covered about 4, 5, or 6 reports. 5 reports, right? So now for sixth report, let us suppose yes, so let's go to our application. Let me go to reports. So this is the report, my first report of opportunity object, okay. So let me go to Salesforce Classic. Okay, the one question arises, why we are learning from Salesforce Classic, not from Salesforce Lightning?
Or it is
So
easy
when,
for better than this
sorry,
one. This is better than lighting. I mean, what
not
your
only better than
classic
the,
Salesforce.
as you know that we have 4 types of custom reports, okay. So here, if we take this one, means if we learn from Lightning, okay, these are having only 2 types of informations, okay. You'll learn about only 2 types of reports, uh, that is tabular and matrix, okay. So but when you learn from Salesforce Classic, so you learn from all these 4 types, okay. So that's why we try to cover these sessions from Salesforce Classic, okay. Okay, so we'll go to reports. This is the report, okay. So whenever we want to edit this, there is an option to customize. However, you can create separate separate reports for separate demands, okay. So now I'm just customizing one report only, that means I'm editing only one report, okay. So let us consider, let us consider any opportunity, okay. So here you can see, here you can see the related objects as product, notes and attachments, contact roles, partners, stage history, okay. So suppose there is a partner, okay. So suppose there is a partner in our opportunity. So by taking the related partners, how can we prepare our report? Okay, so that is the sequence, that when you have some opportunity partners, okay, then how can the reports be created? So let's see first this one. So we need to create a report with opportunity by taking all these fields, where the opportunity has related partners. Okay, so you have to create a report. Okay, you have to create a report where the opportunity is related to some partners. So here we can see there is no partner. Okay, so we need to create a partner. So for creating a partner, when you click on this drop down menu, you'll get an option to create new partner. Okay, so here suppose this one, and I'm not doing anything to the rest of things. Okay, so I'm just adding one partner to this opportunity. Okay, this is the opportunity that is having a partner called this one, HDFCC. Okay, so this will work only with those opportunities that will have partners, right? So that's why I need to add one partner to this opportunity. So remember this, this is the opportunity, Burlington Textile Weaving Plant Generator. And this opportunity is having the partner as HDFCC. Okay. So for this, we have to create a report. So that's why we'll go to Salesforce Classic and we'll select the report section. So here, the customized report. Now I'll customize it. Okay, so I'll remove all the columns. I'll remove all the filters. So everything is removed. Okay. Now I'll add the columns. Okay, which are like name, stage, type, and amount. Okay, by taking all these fields. Okay, so here you can see there is an option called cross filter. Okay, so when you click on this, you'll have the opportunity with all the related fields. Okay, we had activities, we had competitors, contact roles, opportunity feed. Okay, so here you have partners also. So when you click on this, just click OK. So here you can see there is only one opportunity is having the partners. Okay, so the number of opportunities that will have some partners, related partners, will appear whenever you select this option. Okay, so this is how you can create a report having some partners. Okay, so for better use, you can just save this and run report. So that will give you complete picture like this. Okay, so this is how you can create a report related to partners. So the sixth report is completed, and that is done by cross filters. Okay, so now let's move on to the next report, that is seventh one. Okay, for seventh report, let's take as yes. Suppose if there is a report, there is a demand. Okay, uh, if there is a demand of having top three opportunities. Okay, of getting top three opportunities based on amount, where top three opportunities uh, to show top three opportunities. Okay, so based on amount, I need to create a report. Okay, here it means that I need to create a report by taking all these fields. Okay, and in that report I have to show the top three opportunities based on the amount. Okay, so just have to remove all the columns and all the filters also. Now just do the same thing. So name, stage, type, and amount. Okay, by taking all these things, so here what we'll do, we'll click on this, and here you can see below the cross filter. Okay, there is a field called there is an option called row limit. So just click here. So here you can see what how many rows we want to give. Okay, so according to demand I just want to give 3 rows, and sorted by which, sorted by amount. Okay, and in ascending order or descending order, so you can uh, select ascending. Okay, so that will be from lower to higher. Okay, or you can say from descending order, right? So that will give you a clear picture. So here you can see this kind of report. Okay, but when you save this and when you click on run report, this will be changed. So here you can see this is the actual report. Okay, so that's why you, every time when you create a report, you need to run that report to give to get a clear picture. Okay, so previously when I didn't run that report, this report, so it was giving me some different values, some different name, opportunity name. Okay, so when I click on run report, so that's why I said that was a dummy report. Okay, so when you click on run report, when you click on save, and thereafter when you run this report, so it will get a clear picture. So this is the top most opportunity, and then this is the second, and this is the third one. Okay, so you can get this kind of report uh, using by using row limit, right? So for that, you just have to click on this add option, and there you'll get row limit. Okay, so I hope it's clear. Okay, now we'll see the next report. So the next report will be like yes, from all these values, from let me remove the fields and add those fields. Stage, amount, type. Okay. Okay, so suppose this is the report, and according to this, you just need to create a report. So let us think what type of report will be created. So by taking these fields, by taking name, stage, type, and amount. Okay, we need to create. We need to get some uh, average, minimum, maximum. Okay, value of opportunities. Okay, so in a single report, we'll have to get all these things. We'll have to get some average, minimum, maximum, and that will be based on amount. Okay, so let's see how we can create this. So for this, you just have to get all the things like name, type, amount, stage. Okay, and so this is based on amount. So when you see, there is a drop down menu on amount. Okay, so just click here, and you'll have a lot of options. Okay, so from this option, you just have to click on this one. Okay, summarize this field. So you'll get all the options like sum, average, maximum, minimum, all the values. Just apply this. Okay, and after applying, you can save this, and after saving, you just have to run the report. Okay, so this is how you can create a report based on any field. Okay, if it is based on type. Okay, suppose it's based on type, so you can click here. Okay, but it's based on this one. So first you need to remove this. Okay, and then you just need to click on type, summarize. Can't get summarize. Okay, let's first remove the columns, then we'll see. Type, amount, name, stage. Okay, so summarizing is not yes, summary will not work. Okay, it will work with only amount, right? So it will work with only amount, not with any other field. Okay, so as it is related to some values like sum, average, maximum, minimum. Okay, so that is why it will not work with anything. Okay, so this is how you can create a report based on amount. Yes, I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Okay, so every time you just need to run the report to get the finalized version of the report, right? So now ninth report, that is so create a report with opportunity fields as name, stage, type, amount. Okay, so in this report you just have to create a virtual column. Okay, and specify the opportunities based on their yes, range. Okay, so you just have to create a virtual column. Okay, so first you need to know what is virtual column. So and you just need to know the name of that virtual column, so you can okay, we'll get in this report. Okay, so here it is asking to create a report that will have a virtual column, and that is based on range. Okay, so range will be like amount. Okay, so by adding a column, so you can by bucketing, yes, so you can click on amount. Okay, and there is an option to bucket this field. Okay, so to bucket this field, it will add one extra column. Okay, and that will be based on amount. Okay, and that name will be suppose opportunity plant type. Okay, so here we are adding a virtual column. Okay, and that will be named as opportunity plant type, and that has a value. Okay, so here uh, the range will be like uh, let's take one thing, like whenever the range equals or whenever the range is less than or equal to 1 lakh. Okay, so this will be named as basic opportunity. Okay, but whenever the range is greater than, okay, but whenever the range is greater than 1 lakh, so it will be named as premium opportunity. Okay, so you just have to fulfill all the details. Okay, so here we just did what, we just click on amount field. Okay, and there you can see there is a bucket this field option. So it is based on amount, and we'll name it as opportunity plan type, and that first will be whenever the amount is less than or equal to, okay, whenever the range is less than or equal to 1 lakh, this will be basic opportunity. And whenever it is more than, okay, whenever it is more than 1 lakh, so it will be premium opportunity. So that is how you can create opportunity plan type. That means a virtual column. You can add a virtual column. So here you can see there is a column called opportunity plan type. So that will be planned like if there is an opportunity and that is termed as basic opportunity, so that is based on amount. Here you can see whatever opportunity that is under 1 lakh, okay, that is termed as basic opportunity. And what is more than or equal to, okay, so it has taken the 1 lakh value. Okay, so what is more than 1 lakh, that is premium opportunity. Okay, so when you run the report, you'll get the clear picture. So this is how you can add any virtual column to your report. Okay, so I hope it's clear.
So can you recall again only this one, sir? Range.
Yeah, of course. Okay, so now I have removed that column. Okay, so when you click on this one, this option, you'll get bucket this field. So bucket this field will add a virtual column to your report. Okay, so just now we have 4 columns: type, amount, opportunity name, and stage. Okay, so these are the 4 columns. And if the uh, there is a requirement, okay, if there is a requirement to add one more column to your report, and that will be means based on their desire, okay, so that column will not be available here. So in that case, you just need to add or an extra column. So that column uh, will be based on the client's requirement. Okay, so you'll name it like client's requirement. Like I have named it opportunity plan type. Or you can also say that this is the category. Okay, opportunity category. Okay, so you can also name it like opportunity category. So this is how you can categorize. You are categorizing this opportunity. Okay, so whenever any opportunity comes, and that is that it will be under 1 lakh. Okay, so that opportunity will be termed as basic. Okay, But when it's more than 1 lakh, it will be termed as premium and nothing else. You just have to name this and just click on OK. So here you can see opportunities, basic, and so this is the premium, or yes, this is the basic opportunities. Okay, I hope it's clear.
Yes, sir. It's clear, sir.
Okay,
Okay, thank you, sir.
so for next report we'll remove all the columns. Okay. Okay, so for next report what we'll do, this is the report number 10, right? Okay, yes, so for next report we'll see create report with opportunity fields as is, and here we just need to group, sorry, uh, and create column level grouping. Okay, of okay, so here we just need to create column level grouping of values based on stage. Okay, so we'll take all the fields: name, stage, type, and amount. Okay, so now we have added all these and it's based on stage, right? So under stage we'll click on group by this field. Okay, so here is an option, group by this field. So when you click on group by this field, okay, so this will turn like this one, this. Okay, so this is how you can create uh, column level grouping. Okay, so now this is whatever from whatever previous to this. Okay, whatever we have seen, that was detailed report. Okay, so this is summary. Okay, so before this whatever we have covered, that was tabular, and now this one is summary report. Okay, for creating summary report, so you just have to create first, you just have to take all the fields for which you are going to create a report, and after taking all the fields you just have to click on the desired field for which you are going to create a summary report. Okay, and there you'll have grouping. When you group anything, so that is termed as summary report. Okay, and when you are preparing any report individually, that is tabular. So here that means group of reports, a group of opportunities, that is termed as summary report. Okay, So this is the difference between summary and tabular. Okay. So when you click on tabular, it will just turn like this. Okay. And stage. Is it working? Okay. So this is how you can create this report. Okay. Means you just have to go to stage. Means I was and click on group this field. Okay. This is okay. So I hope this is clear. Means how you can create a report using this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the first thing, the main thing you just need to note down is this is summary report. Okay. And this is tabular. So the difference between this summary and tabular is the tabular format does not support grouping. Okay. So when you group anything, that is termed as summary. Okay. So that was report number 10. Okay. So now we'll create one more report. And for this, you just have to create. Okay, so we have seen column level grouping. Okay, now we'll see row level grouping. Okay. So now I'm going to create row level grouping, and that will be based on type. Okay. Okay, so this is you just need to create a report. You just have to create a report based on by taking all those fields: name, stage, type, amount. Okay. So you just have to create a row level grouping, and that will be based on type. Okay. So we have seen how to create tabular, how to create summary. Okay. Now I will see how to create matrix. Okay. So here it is saying that drop a field here to create a column grouping. Okay. And drop a field here to create a row grouping. Okay. So if you want to create column grouping, that will also be you can create through by staging as well as by grouping as well as by this method. Okay. So let me first do that with stage, like column level grouping. Okay. You just need to drag stage. Okay. And drop it here. So when you drag and drop stage here, so this is stage level grouping. Okay. Means this is column level grouping, and the opportunities are grouped according to columns. Okay. So how many opportunities are there in prospecting stage, how many opportunities are there in qualification stage? So this is how you can create column level grouping. Okay. So when you have to create stage level grouping, yes, row level grouping. So in that case, it is based on type. So just paste it here. Okay. Or in case, turn it to tabular. Okay. And now click on type. Now click on matrix and just drag type and drop it here. So this is called row level grouping. Okay. This is row level grouping, and here you have type existing customer, upgrade, new customer. Okay, so that is row level grouping. So as you have seen how tabular reports are formed, how summary reports are formed, how matrix reports are formed. Okay, now we'll see how joint reports are formed. So in a single report, okay, how can you create joint reports? So for creating joint report, we'll see. First, we'll have to take some use case. Okay. So the use case here is like we need to create a report. Okay, and in fact we need to create 3 reports, and that will be under one screen. Okay, so the in first report, what will be what things will be taken together. Report 1, what do I need? I need name with stage. Okay, so that is the first report which I need. And in report number 2, so in report 2, what do I need? I need name with type. And similarly in report number 3, I will need name with amount. Okay, this is the report which I need to create. Okay, so in a single report, what do I need to create? I need to create 3 reports. Okay, and in the first report, in the report 1, we'll see name with stage. In report 2, we'll see name with type, and in report 3, we'll see name with amount. Okay, so let's see how we can create this. So first, let me go to tabular form. Okay, now let me remove all the columns, and here let me select joint. So here you can see opportunity block 1. Okay, so what are the things? First, in report 1, name, you'll need opportunity name. Okay, and name with stage. Okay, So this is the first report. I'll need name, okay, let me create it one more time. First, I need to select joint. Okay. Name, stage, all opportunities. All time. Okay, it's fine. Opportunity name and type. Yes. Okay, so when you add like this, first you just need to let me create it one more time, right? So that it will make some sense. First, I'll remove all the columns, right? Okay, so first you just need to select a format like join. So here you'll see like first block. Okay, so in join format, select name and drag and drop it in this box. Okay, so name and stage, select stage and drop it in the same box. Okay, and here you have the option to change the name as report 1. Okay, so for second report, click on name and just drag it and drop it in that window, but separately. So here you just need to click type, drag type and drop it here. So for this you just need to go to the report number 2 second block. Okay, and here you just need to click on all time. Okay, so you can see all the opportunities. Okay, so here also all time, right? And when if you want to name it, okay, just click here, report 2, and similarly click on opportunity name and just paste, drag it here, and amount. Similarly here also change the current FQ to all time, so you can see there are this kind of, it is not reflecting. Okay, then first I'll remove column. This is opportunity name and I need opportunity stage. Okay, so here you can see opportunity stage, opportunity name type, name and amount. Okay, these all are created according to whatever our requirement was. Okay, so now we'll save this and we'll run this report. Okay, so this is the report. Now if you want to get the printable view, just click here. So the printable will be downloaded. It's not working. So here it's a message like report generation. Okay, so this is how you can create different reports, whatever we have covered in our sessions today. Okay, so that is all about reports. We have covered almost 12 kinds of reports. So yes, if you have a question related to any of the reports, you can Just raise your questions now.
No, sir. The finally giant report means we can see at multiple reports at single time.
Yes, the last, which is
Yeah, this one, sir.
yes, this one. Yes, we can see multiple
Oh,
reports. So whatever, like this is name with stage. Okay, although we can select type with amount. So whatever the requirement, according to that requirement, we can select the fields.
yeah.
Okay.
This reports is only possible with a giant report.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. That's no doubt, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. In our tomorrow session, we'll see about sandboxes and a little demonstration about dashboards. Right.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. Thank you all for joining.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir.